Creating vehicle groups for specific branch locations, regions, assets, and delivery assignments is an efficient way to configure multiple vehicles at one time. In this video, we will show you how to streamline your fleet management operations by creating vehicle groups in Account Manager. Let's begin. Creating vehicle groups. Within Account Manager, select Configure Fleet Settings in the left menu. Click Vehicle Groups. The Vehicle Groups page loads with a list of your existing vehicle groups. Click the Create Vehicle Group button. The Create Vehicle Group window opens. Enter a name for your vehicle group in the Vehicle Group Name field. If you have access to Route Reporter, you can select the checkbox for Send Out-of-Route emails and enter a list of email addresses separated with commas in the OOR Emails field to receive alerts when a vehicle assigned to this group is out of route. Click the Save and Continue button. In the Vehicles section, select the checkbox next to each vehicle you want to assign to the group. Please note that if you're adding a vehicle that's already assigned to another group, the assignment will fail if it causes the vehicle to exceed the maximum number of map sets. By default, you can include up to 5 subregions in a map set, but that number can be increased up to 10 or decreased at the account level. If you want to undo your selections on any of the wizard steps, click the Undo icon on that step. Click the Save and Continue button. In the Routing Profiles section, select the checkbox next to each routing profile you want to assign to the group, or click the Assign Default Profiles button to use a default routing profile. You may assign more than one routing profile to a vehicle group. Click the Save and Continue button. Assign a configuration profile from the drop-down menu, or assign the default configuration by clicking the Assign Default Profile button. You may only select one configuration profile for a vehicle group. Click the Save button. In the Map Set section, select the checkbox next to each map set you want to assign to the group. Again, be careful not to exceed the maximum number of map sets per vehicle. Click the Save and Continue button. If you want to assign route modifiers to the group, select the checkbox next to each route modifier to be used. Click the Save button. If you want to assign custom places to the group, select the checkbox next to each custom place to be used. Click the Save and Continue button. Click Done to finish creating your vehicle group. The new vehicle group is now listed on the Vehicle Groups page. You may select the vehicle group from this page to make further changes as needed. The next time a vehicle or device that is assigned to that vehicle group is started up or at the regular sync interval, the settings will be updated. You have completed the Creating Vehicle Groups training video. To learn more about this product, visit our Learning Center to access on-demand training and online help.